Everyone have their workspace. The fashion designer, the artist, the shoemaker, the musician. But you see me, this is my workspace. This is my workspace.
What is happening? Oh, yeah, let's get back to work.
This is my workspace. And this is where all the cooking is done. But there's a problem. You see this guy over there? That's his workspace. All he does is sit down, dance, doom scroll, press his laptop, watch Netflix, laugh at memes. And then he comes up with this crazy idea and somehow the idea is always mad. I mean, how does he do it? And guess what? It comes after getting an idea, message me. I don't really know how he does it because it looks like his workspace is everywhere, and yet he calls himself the idea guy. You might be watching this video and you wanna have another idea for me. I said it.